Hello Thomas fans, today we'll be doing the unpacking of the Thomas & Friends Trackmaster Demolition at the dock set with my son Sal. Hi Sal, thank you for helping me today, Baba. Are we ready to help me unpack this?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Are we ready to unpack this?
Yes, we can. We'll set it up. We'll play with it, definitely. So this set includes a very exclusive Thomas, which has the photos or pictures of the debris and the dock on there. It also includes 13 pieces of Trackmaster track, and Cranky, our favourite. And also it has some buildings, which is the actual warehouse which Cranky uses to smash. Okay, so yeah, it says demolition at the dock set. You control the demolition by using Cranky the Crane to swing the cargo into the warehouse. As the building bursts apart, Thomas races through the debris. Awesome, it actually looks quite fun. It comes with an exclusive motorised Thomas, as we mentioned earlier, Brendan Dock's warehouse, and Cranky the Crane, which Sal's really excited about, aren't you, Baba?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, I suppose we open it up. Now, wow. Oh, cool. Okay, so we've got the assembly with 8 tracks. Yeah. Some more tracks there. Excellent. Okay. And we've got the motorised Thomas.
He's cool. This set.
It is cool, isn't it? Okay. Okay, so these are all the pieces set out on the table. I suppose now we can assemble it. Ready, Baba?
Yeah. I'll go.
Thomas. Okay, so I'll put some batteries on Thomas. Okay, how about you start by putting the tracks together?
Yeah.
And I can start by putting Cranky and the warehouse together. Deal?
Deal.
Let's go. Okay, so. Okay, maybe you're doing good. Looks like the warehouse door. Okay, very interesting. Okay.
That's a kind of no. And really out.
And who's this, Baba?
This one, Cranky.
Cranky! Yay! We love Cranky, don't we?
Yeah. I like Cranky.
I know, me too. Oh. That's looking good. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the track all set up, and we've put batteries in our exclusive Thomas, who's got debris on his face, and that's the paintwork on his side. So here you go, Cedar.
Yeah. I'll just see it works.
Uh-oh, and don't forget Cranky. Oh, and this is Thomas now going through the debris. Wow, he smashes his way through the debris. That was cool. Oh, Cranky, what have you done? Oh, cool. And the barrels. Oh, cool. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Bye-bye.